we can see here the wch link debugger is connected to the CH32V003, and red LED is glowing on J-Link E, and also power is being supplied to the CH32V003. But in the Mon River IDE, when we are trying to go to Flash and download, we see that WCH J-Link not found. Please refer to user manual for more info. So we see this basically that WCH is not found, and when we go to the device drivers, we see that the driver is not up. Okay, even though USB is connected, the driver is not up, so we have to update the drivers. So now you can see here the yellow icon is gone, and the drivers are updated. So how we could do is, whenever a yellow icon appears, that means the driver is not present. So right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and or what you can do is browse my computer for drivers. This is the Mon River Studio IDE path. Okay, Mon River Studio, and when you click next, you see the same update that we are seeing here. Okay, so the drivers are already installed, so the yellow icon is gone now, and we are ready to use the WCH driver. Okay, and now let us go to the IDE, and when we click on download, so it is asking for upgrade. So and it automatically upgrades. Okay, uh, still we see that there is an issue, and once the drivers are updated as mentioned, you can see again the device is lost. So click on here, browse my computer, and click on next. Okay, uh, and close. Okay, so now let us try to download. See, updating. Firmware upgrade is successful. Okay, so now click the button again. Now let us try to download. Okay, and done, right? Okay, so the driver's issue is solved, and we can program the CS32V003.